Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display right here. So let's tap on it, and here in the right section we have to scroll down to localize the screen timeout. So let's tap, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, so 30 minutes. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and I will choose 30 minutes. So let's simply tap on it. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after agreeing back you can see that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.